Sweet Buds Dispensary is a medical cannabis dispensary located in Maryland. I got into the business realizing that there was a need for medical cannabis, and a lot of patients wanted a different interaction. It's 100% female owned, and I'm very proud of that. I am actually a patient and learning myself about the cannabis industry and what everything has to offer. So my journey was from the restaurant bar business prior, so I knew that I liked retail and really liked to be able to help people, especially when they had a need that needed to be filled. So I felt that it was part of my journey, I guess, with my life, was to open something that really would have an impact on people. And when we first started to open and I started to undertake this business under my belt, learning all the compliance issues or compliance-related protocols that I had to put into place, I was a little taken aback, not sure how to make the progression into what they were asking for. So when I reached out to Advantage, they came in. They pretty much knew what we needed once I gave them the parameters of what the state was looking for. So they were really helpful walking me through what we needed to be able to be in compliance every day and operate successfully. We had anticipated opening in December, right around Christmas, and Advantage Technology really came in and did everything that they could possibly do, even around the holidays, which for a business owner, having a company that would accept and say, okay, Advantage Technology just above and beyond the call of duty for anything that I needed. And we have multiple systems that have to speak to one another. For instance, our POS system has to talk to the national cannabis database where all the products are stored throughout the state. So they all have to be able to be integrated and talk to one another along with our website and our ordering platforms. So that becomes a mechanism that's 3 to 4-fold. So everything has to pretty much run seamlessly for us to be able to open our doors and operate. And Advantage Technology, when they came in and explained what they could do, was amazing to have one company that can just roll everything into one. And so we were very fortunate to have them and have them come in and really navigate through things that I didn't understand and had difficulty sometimes even processing, because I think general society doesn't get where everything comes from up in space or fiber lines or what have you. So they've really made it easy to work with to figure out just all the components that had to come together. I would recommend Advantage Technology to other business owners super fast. They were wonderful to deal with, just from the beginning process of the quotes of what I needed for my business, down to helping me out with the invoicing, the accounts payable department, from my accounts payable to their accounts payable, and just in general, the techs that came in to mount the equipment, the cleanup that they did every time they needed to come in, the privacy that they gave when we were all in the building, because this is a very private, once we're trying to get things underway with what we have to integrate with the state. Advantage Technology, just tenfold, were just amazing.
Call now to get started with a free tech evaluation.
Advantage Technology, the complete